In the world of Indian motorcycles, few names evoke the sense of nostalgia and rugged simplicity like the Rajdoot. Today we dive into one of its iconic models, the Rajdoot Excel-T, a motorcycle that not only conquered the roads, but also won the hearts of countless riders across India. The Rajdoot Excel-T, launched in the late 1970s, was much more than just a mode of transport. It was a symbol of reliability, a workhorse that catered to the everyday needs of a diverse range of riders, from young enthusiasts to seasoned commuters. Powered by a 173 cubic centimeter, single-cylinder, two-stroke engine, the Excel-T packed enough punch for the era. With 9.8 horsepower at 5,500 RPM, it may not seem much by today's standards, but this bike was all about practicality, offering a top speed of around 80 kilometers per hour. Perfect for the roads it was built to dominate. In a market crowded with competitors, the Excel-T stood out for its build quality and durability. It featured a robust double cradle frame, telescopic front forks, and dual rear shock absorbers, components that were designed to take on the roughest roads with ease. But what made the Rajdoot Excel-T truly special was its simplicity. It was easy to maintain, with a minimalistic design that allowed owners to handle most of the servicing themselves. The bike's carburetor was simple yet effective, and the Points ignition system, while old school, was reliable and straightforward to troubleshoot. For many, the Rajdoot Excel-T was their first motorcycle. It was a machine that introduced them to the joy of riding. And even today, many of these bikes are still seen on the roads, a testament to their enduring legacy. As we look back at the history of the Rajdoot Excel-T, it's clear that this was more than just a motorcycle. It was a companion, a part of the family, and for many, it was freedom on two wheels. So here's to the Rajdoot Excel-T, a timeless classic that continues to inspire and remind us of the golden era of Indian motorcycling. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this journey through time, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more stories from the world of automobiles. Ride safe, and we'll see you in the next one.